Among the various techniques used for the gilding of a surface, the so-called oil gilding was described by Cennino Cennini and amply used in painting between the 14th and 15th centuries. In comparison to the more common and appreciated water gilding, this method consists of applying a mordant, that is an oily, resinous, and thick adhesive, in place of the Armenian bowl. The mordant is applied with a brush to the areas that are to be gilded. On these areas is then laid and lightly pressed the gold leaf, soon after the adhesive has become tacky. The excess gold leaf is then easily brushed away. The brightness of oil gilding is always less than that gained from good water gilding, also and above all because it is not possible to burnish the surface treated. In spite of this technique was widely used to gild surfaces of limited sizes and to make decorations and finishings of the painted parts, thanks to the reasonable ease of the operation.